What's the meaning of Albuquerque? Albuquerque. 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 Albuquerque.
Albuquerque is a city in the United States, located in the state of New Mexico. The word itself comes from the Spanish language and was named after the Duke of Albuquerque. It translates to white oak or cork tree in English. Albuquerque is known for its unique blend of Native American, Hispanic, and Anglo cultures, and is home to many museums, galleries, and annual events like the International Balloon Fiesta. The city also has a thriving culinary scene, outdoor recreation opportunities, and is considered a hub for technology and innovation.